I have no idea who needs to hear this today, but don't you ever give up. For your dreams, for yourself, your family, don't ever give up. Just struggle well. And if you feel like you're failing, fail forward quickly. Look, I went from success in digital marketing space to losing my way while going through a divorce and finding myself working 10 to 12 hours a day driving rideshare, already knowing that there's absolutely a better way to live life on your own terms because I've lived it. However, when you're down and when you're struggling, when you're depressed, it's easy to lose sight of your dreams. I just know as I've come out of that, I found an online business that is changing everything for me. And as someone who's been in the online space and been through a lot of different opportunities and programs over the years, I can see very clearly the extreme value that is provided, especially for a new person with no experience, no background, compared to so many other things out there in the past. It was around the middle of March of this year, 24, that I discovered this, and I heard 2-hour workday. I heard this is not MLM, there's no monthly fees, no expenses. It's a fully automated business. It's got no tech needed, but I was like, well, what is it? I've seen so many things over the years, but I knew I was ready for a change. And quite frankly, I was sick and tired of being sick and tired and just letting myself meander without making a real direction. I mean, to be honest, the reason why I even picked driving for like Uber as an alternative is because it gives you the flexibility to do it whenever you want. And I had had that time freedom in spades doing digital marketing in the past. However, you have to trade your time for dollars. And if you like driving, that's fine. But if you've got bills to pay and you can only make so much money per week, you're limited, you're capped. And pretty soon you start seeing 40 hours turn into 50 hours and then 50 hours pushing into 60. You're away from your family. And, for me, I had an hour plus commute each way because I live in a small town rurally away from the city. And that's the beauty of being able to work remotely with digital marketing. But once you find yourself day in and day out doing the hustle, doing the grind, being the commuter, the rat race, it quickly loses its appeal. And I knew if I went to find another job at 50 years old, it's going to be worse. So here's what I did. I took action and I followed this blueprint. It is so easy to follow. 5 minutes to take action, 6 minutes to take action, 2 minutes, watch a video, and then get ready and go. And it's completely transformed what I thought was the norm, and it's enabling me to start producing daily pay. Listen, it's automated. I never have heard the word no. It's all done through my automations. And look, this program is taking me from a 10 to 12 hour day. And if that's something that you're tired of yourself, just go ahead and put blueprint in the comments, and I will definitely share it with you.